How to create Telegram premium emoji. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create Telegram premium emoji. So first thing, just head over to your Telegram application and make sure you are logged into your account. Then just tap on this hamburger icon at the top left corner, and once you click here, just click on this settings option from over here. And once you click on settings, scroll all the way down until you see the option called chat settings under the settings. So just tap on this. So once you're inside here, just scroll down until you find the option called stickers and emoji. So just tap on this sticker and emoji and then just click on emoji option. So once you're inside here, you can see all of the trending emoji packs, but to use it you have to have a premium account. So you have to subscribe this for $5 per month. So it's not for free. So you can easily subscribe it for if you want to use the trending emoji packs like dog emoji, crayons emoji, or birthday collections emoji. So that is how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.